Hi friends, today I will make summer fruit smoothie. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. To make the smoothie, add pineapple, strawberry, watermelon, add some blueberries, one cup of milk, two tablespoons of yogurt, now blend all ingredients. Now your yummy and delicious summer fruit smoothie is ready. Add topping of your choice. If you like my summer fruit smoothie recipe video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and please share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Also check out my social media and other videos.